Mom, you don't want to duck.
Move around. Come toward my voice. Come over here. Turn around. Go back this way.
You just stay bent down.
Mom,